Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today, we're learning basic English phrases for shopping. Whether you're at a market, a mall, or a grocery store, these phrases will help you shop like a pro in English. When you're shopping, it's important to know how to ask questions and talk to the staff. Let's start with some useful phrases. How much is this? I need a bag. Where is the counter? Do you have this in another size or color? Can I pay by card? What did you buy? I bought a new pair of shoes and a jacket. How much did you spend? I spent $50 on clothes and $20 on groceries. Did you get a good deal? Yes, I got this shirt on sale for half price. Where did you go shopping? I went to the mall and then to the grocery store. Did you enjoy shopping? Yes, I had a great time. The store had so many options. Let me tell you about my shopping experience. I went shopping to buy a new dress and a pair of shoes. I spent some time looking around the clothing store and finally found a beautiful dress that I really liked. After that, I headed to the shoe shop where I picked a comfortable pair of shoes that matched the dress. Once I was done with clothes and shoes, I decided to go to the grocery store to buy some fresh fruits, vegetables, and snacks. The store had everything I needed, so I picked up a few more items. After finishing my shopping, I came back home feeling happy and satisfied with all the things I bought. That's it for today's lesson on English for shopping. Practice these phrases the next time you go shopping, and you'll feel more confident. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time. Practice makes perfect.